And what's going on YouTube? It's your boy KR3 Valley back on the video today. This video was supposed to drop like 2-3 days ago or something like that, bro. But my files was being stupid, so I don't know. So I'm gonna drop it today. But yeah, I was gonna show you guys. The video was me showing off my new wheels, so I'm gonna show them now. Actually, without further ado, let's get into that real quick. So these are my new rims. Man, they look crazy, bro. Every angle I shoot this car, man, just makes me so happy to have these fucking, they look so good, bro. Don't mind tail lights bugging. Doesn't know with the camera on. But man, these wheels look so crazy. So yeah, they are the Alhan AFF wheels. They look good, I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm so happy to get some new wheels, nice wheels. Fit me not all the way there, but new lowering springs is coming. Drop the back by 2 inches. The front will be dropped to like another like 0.3 inches. And yeah, man, fitment should be perfect. The other side, the fitment's kind of bad, but hey, you'll live. Got new spring anyway, so I'm excited to show you guys new content, all that, man. But look, that's how the car sits for now. Let's get into that POV drive. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, YouTube, back again with another POV video. As y'all seen from earlier, got my new wheels installed. Man, they look so good. I had a little photo shoot with my brother. He got a 5.0 actually, so that was fun. I'm probably posting pictures tomorrow. Probably wouldn't the same time this drop. They'd already be posted. I'm excited, bro. They look so crazy. These wheels, like if you have a black car, I would recommend getting chrome or silver wheels, bro. Like my car I look like a new car, basically. This shit literally looks brand new, bro. This shit is crazy. I'm so happy how it turned out. I'm so happy I got the wheels. Only thing is so I don't know about you like S550 guys or Gen 1 guys, which are wheelbase, but for some reason, like I'm on lowering springs. I'm on 1.5 lowering springs, but there's still so much wheel gap. I'll probably show you another clip later, but there's so much wheel gap. So I was looking around trying to research like how I can clear that wheel gap some more. I'm gonna have to get bigger tires vertically, because I have 255 35 19 in the front and 275 40 19 in the back. So I'm thinking like to clear the wheel gap like a little bit more, I need some new lowering springs. Cause I need the front lower probably like 1.67 and the back 2 inches, and I'm gonna get for the front 255 45 19s and the back 275 50 19s. Once I get that, the wheel gap should be good. It should be cleared. So I'm excited, man. I'm probably gonna order those soon to get them out the way. There's some cheap tires. I don't need no like expensive tires right now. I'm not pushing big power. Like this is a regular bolt-on car. Like I hook perfectly fine with like, I have all season tires right now. I hook perfectly fine. I ain't making enough power to like spin my wheel unless my tires are bald. So I'm just gonna keep these for now. But yeah, cause I wish I knew that before. I didn't know. So cause my last tires, they were 235 50 18s, but they sat like, they low-key sat better than these. These tires are bigger, but it's because like I said, the tire vertically height, the tire height, that's a nice fucking C7. The tire height, it was bigger, so it looked bigger. But once I fix that, get new tires, it's gonna look good. I'm telling you, pictures on that are gonna look crazy. So I think I'm about done with like cosmetics for now. I think the next thing I'm gonna get, probably not soon, because I want to start getting into power. The next thing I'm gonna get cosmetically is probably white turning signals and this steering wheel, bro. Now, this is a GT350 steering wheel, but I kind of don't like it. It's not matching the interior and like the vibe I'm going for, because the color theme of this car is black and white, and it's kind of throwing it off, especially with this red stripe right here. So I think I'm gonna get like a carbon fiber steering wheel with the white stripe. I'm just gonna get regular leather and stuff like that. I found one for really cheap for this car. It's like $500, so it's cheaper than all the other ones I've seen. That's like fucking $700, $800 to almost $1,000. So, and it looks just the same. So yeah, that's next is get the steering wheel. As far as cosmetic, steering wheel, probably radio, and turning signals, and that's about it. But I'm ready to start moving on to power mods, man. I want to start, you know, I don't want to say racing, but start putting a little racing content on the channel. Cause right now I beat cars. Like I only have 2 bolt tones right now. But not only 2 bolt tones. I only got an intake and a tune. That's all I got. I beat RTs. I beat like other stuff like cars like that all the time. But I'm ready for some like serious power. I'm ready to like start like racing 5.0s and, you know, like newer Camaros and shit like that. Cause like I shift really good, so it's like no problem with that shifting wise. I just need the power to match my shifts. That's all it is. But yeah, I think next power mods I'm gonna get. It's 3 of them. 3 of them I'm gonna get next. I'm gonna get headers. Headers with the H pipe. I'm getting cams, and I'm getting a 93 tune. But I'm gonna get my next thing for this car, which y'all probably see me get, is headers. Headers with the new H pipe. Headers with the new H pipe. And then after that, I'm gonna get the car. I don't need to get tuned for that. Header to H pipe, and that's it. Get cams and get it tuned. I've been looking at cams to get. I've been seeing like Detroit rocker cams, comp cams, stuff like that. If any 3-valve guys have cams, let me know which ones you have and like which is the best bang for buck. Cause I hear a lot of different reviews about cams. So these are only for sound, these got bad drivability. Like if you got cams, let me know which ones you have that has the best drivability and best bang for buck power. Cause for 3-valves, like most of our power come out of like NA. Most of our power comes out of cams. For these cars, you get like 30-40 horsepower just with cams, bro. If you got a good tuner, of course. So I want this car 93. That's a little bit more power. It's like an extra 10 horsepower, 5 to 10. Headers, that's like a good probably 10 to 15. Maybe a little bit more when I get it tuned with the cams. The cams, like I said, it's like 30-40. So all in all 3 of those things, I'm probably gonna be like up 60 to 70 horsepower, which is not bad. And then after that, I'm not doing no more bolt-on mods, none of that. I'm going straight for boost. Like I said, I want that Pro Charger kit, that Vortec. So that's the next thing I'm gonna get. And I'm excited, man. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I'm not trying to rush this build, but I'm trying to rush the build. I only had this car for like 5 months now. I'm trying to like just rush it, man. I'm ready to pump out content for you guys. You know, like I'm gonna, like, you know how people build cars, they build it too fast, they get bored. Like I'm not gonna get bored at all. I'm trying to build it so I won't get bored. That's the thing. Like I'm ready to pump out content, everything else, you know, for you guys, and it's just fun, bro. I love cars. I love doing car shit, and yeah, man, I'm trying to stick with it, bro. But yeah, I love cars, man. I want to rush to build, man. I want to build this car. Like my goal with this car, like I said, is 600 wheel. I want to build like a nice street car. I want to post races for you guys. I want to post me going to meets and all that. Now that I got my wheels, I'm more comfortable going to meets. Cause my old wheels, my car looked like it just looked like mid. I'm not gonna lie. But these wheels totally changed the car. So we're gonna start going to car meets for you guys. So show you around little car meets here in good old Mitten. There's some fast cars here, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like there's some fast Mustangs. I see a lot of fast BMWs. There's so many like Hellcats, bro. Oh my god. Like, it's fucking Hellcat Haven here, bro. But yeah, I can't wait to start posting for you guys. All that good content, man. Here's some downshift for you guys. Y'all ready? I can hear right now. That shit echoing up the trees. But yeah, this is gonna be a little short video. Just wanted to show you all the cars, show the wheels and all that. Just a little quick POV for y'all. Next video, like I said, stay tuned. It will be a late night video. Probably going downtown somewhere. Bro, this car sound insane, bro. This car sound fucking nuts. Ready for a downshift? Yeah, this car sounds insane, bro. But yeah, short little video for you guys. I'm probably gonna end it here. Stay tuned. Like I said, stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be a POV video. And stay tuned for the next mods, man. Make sure you follow me on my socials below to get updated pictures and all that, and content you don't see on here. I might post it on my story and stuff like that. So socials will be in my description below. And yeah, man, it's your boy KR3 Valve. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Very much appreciate y'all boys, and I'm out. Peace.